We'll guide you through how to cancel sent follow requests on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, we can go and get a list of different follow requests we've gone and sent. Press your profile icon in the bottom right and go to the top right and press the three lines. This will open up settings and activity, and you can press account center at the top, come down to account settings and press your information and permissions. Then we can press download your information, and what we need to do is press download or transfer information. Choose your account and press next. You can press all available information like so, press download to device. Here you can set the date range. I've just set this to last year, but you may want to set it to all time so you can see all the follow requests you've sent, which is still pending. And then what you can do is set a format to HTML, media quality to medium. Press create. Now you need to go and wait for that to go and be created. When it's finished, you'll go and get an email and it will appear in available downloads. Press download. We can then download it to our device. Open up your Files app and find it, and you can tap on it to go and unzip it like so. Then you can tap on it, press connections, followers and following, and you can press pending follow requests. Here you'll go and see a list. We can tap on the account if we want to cancel, we can press open, and we're taken straight to the profile. We can then press requested to cancel it. Alternatively, if you know the account, you can just search for it and cancel it by tapping requested.